What is going on, guys? Stefan with you, S&E's Garage. Today we have our 2013 Mustang GT Coyote car here up on the quick jacks, and we are going to be installing this street scene front lip with supports. Now this lip here is designed to mount to your factory lip, so there is no need to remove it. What I do recommend is getting yourself some isopropyl alcohol wipes. I'll go ahead and leave some of these in the video description below. And you're just going to want to wipe down the surface of your lip as best as you can, just to promote some good adhesion. And if your lip is damaged in any way or hanging down, you're just going to want to make sure that it is nice and secured to your bumper, because it is going to be the backbone of your lip. Your lip is literally going to be bolting or screwing onto this and double-sided taped to it. So you want to have a good starting point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're just going to peel the corner here of each piece of our tape, and we're going to mock it up to the car. We have Emily here behind us. Say hi, Emily. She's going to be our helper today. This is her car. This is her lip. So we're just going to go ahead and get this mocked up, and then I'm going to put one screw in on each side when I have it right where I want it, and then we can go ahead and pull the tape and make sure it is nice and secured. So let me go ahead. I'm going to set you up on the tripod, and we're going to get under this thing and start setting it up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this adhesion promoter basically on the factory chin. And we're just going to go ahead where the tape is going to ride and just coat this. And this is going to help promote adhesion with your new lip. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get under the car. And Mrs. D'Amato, Mrs. S&E's Garage, I should say, is going to go ahead and help me line it up. And once we get it to a point that we like, I'm going to go ahead and set one of the screws on each side in, and then we're going to pull the tape. This is all one piece. Yeah, just pull a little bit back, that's all. Just a little bit, okay? And now help me get this lined up under here.
I didn't touch this.
You don't have to. All right, don't let the tape touch. Just get it to where you think.
Is it all the way to the end, the black? That black end?
How does it look over there?
Watch out.
Okay, now let me just get this one started. Okay, Mom, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start pulling this tape back. And when I do, what I want you to do is start pushing the lip into the bumper.
Does this look like this on the outside? It's not like all of that.
I'm trying to get it there. If I loosen these a little bit. Oh, there we are, a little loosened. How does it look over there? Is it getting closer?
Yeah.
It might not be perfect, but it's aftermarket. You have to remember that aftermarket parts are never fit like original. All right, start pushing this into the bumper. Hang on one second, let me get this out.
Pushing it?
Yeah, push it in. And just get the screw in first thing. start coming all around and pushing like this.
What about here? How's that?
What?
How is that gap gonna go there?
That's where it hangs on to the lower lip in the front. That's where it stays like that.
I don't know if I like that.
All right, so now that we got that done, we're gonna do some measuring here and we'll show you exactly what we decided to do for the support rods. Now, one thing that I wanna mention here that I didn't earlier is that we did not have to drill any new holes in this bumper. We reutilized the 3 mounting points for the factory splitter on the left, and then we reutilized the 3 mounting points on the right, and then in the center, we have the double-sided tape and the support rods to hold the center up. So we did not have to make any new holes in our lower bumper other than when we mounted the support rods. And the support rods are screwed into the grill. So if we ever want to, change the grill or something like that, this bumper does not have any holes in it. All right, guys, and this is our finished product here. Now, where you mount the supports is going to be completely up to you. What we decided to do was go on the 1, 2, 3 on the third full hole here, and then we went 3.5 inches off of this and 1 inch in, and that gives you just a little bit of an angle, and that is exactly the look we were going for. And then we went ahead and mirrored the same thing on this side. So you'll see we got the fitment nice, that fits right in there. We come around, this fits right in there. It's a little bit of trial and error. I'm gonna, I gotta edit some of the stuff out of the video here, but in the last clip, you'll see we were under there for quite a while trying to get it right, and we finally did. So, if this video helped you install a front splitter on your 2011 to 2013 Ford Mustang, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.